to you, thank you. And we will start off with Bren. Welcome, Bren. Anywhere you'd like to sit or stand? Perfect. Hello, my name is Bren Farrell. I'm here tonight presenting an objection to fluoride being added to the town water supply in Cambridge. I'm asking for your help as I believe you have chosen to be on the community board out of a desire to do good for the people and community of Cambridge. This is a heartfelt plea. I'm not here to provide facts and figures about the latest research on the detrimental effects of fluoride on human health. I have done my research independent of the New Zealand government supplied information to form my views on this subject. I believe that you have already been provided the facts and figures on the health and science around fluoride, and therefore will have also done your own research on such an important issue. Whether you agree with those who do not want fluoride in their water is not why I am here. I am here as I still believe the community board will represent those with genuine concerns about fluoride in our community's water. I am a member of the Cambridge community and I do not want fluoride in my water. I don't want fluoride in the water I drink. I don't want it for safety reasons. Weakened bones and teeth, cancer, spots on my teeth, and lowered IQ are not appealing to me. I don't want it because it doesn't work. For me, that's a no-brainer. Doesn't work, don't use it. I don't want my choice about a medication to be taken away from me. And yes, worldwide, fluoride is classed as medication. You've heard a lot about me so far, but I'm not just here for myself. There are many others who also do not want fluoride in their water, and I am asking the Cambridge Community Board to help us. Of particular concern to me are those who are not able to do anything about the fluoride. They may not have the financial resources to solve the problem themselves. Alternatives such as specialised filters or rainwater tanks may be unaffordable for them. They may not be in full control of their living situation. Perhaps they are in a rest home or a flatting or boarding situation or in a rental property where they cannot easily make decisions about and changes to their water supply. There will be many different reasons why they don't want fluoride in their water, and I think it is fair to assume their reasons are genuine and deserving of respect, even if you don't share the same view. A legal challenge to the fluoridation directive from the Ministry of Health is being brought by several councils. This legal challenge option was rejected by Waipa District Council at the service delivery meeting in August. There is still the opportunity for Waipa District Council to apply for an interim injunction to hold off complying with the fluoridation directive until the legal challenge case has been heard by the court. The cost of this interim injunction is estimated to be just a few $1,000s. I am asking the Cambridge Community Board to please advocate for those who do not want fluoride in their water and ask the council to apply for an interim injunction to stop the fluoride being added to the Cambridge water. I want to leave some questions with you that I would genuinely like you to consider as fellow members of the Cambridge community, as well as in your community board roles as advocates for the community on council matters. I'm going to apologise in advance if I don't come across in the spirit I intend. I am simply here asking for your help because I am so concerned for the well-being of the people of Cambridge with the upcoming addition of fluoride into our water supply. Do you really know what the people in your Cambridge community want? Should it matter if you hold a different view to those who oppose fluoride if your role is to advocate for the Cambridge community? Have you read the latest international research on the effects of fluoridation on humans to fully understand the health concerns many of us have about fluoride in the water? Have you considered how you can best represent and help those in Cambridge who do not want fluoride in their water? Is following a government directive more important than the health, well-being and wishes of people in your Cambridge community? Will you advocate for the Cambridge community by asking Council to apply for an interim injunction so that fluoride does not have to be added to our water until the legal challenge to the fluoridation directive has been heard in court? Is the short-term financial cost of an interim injunction a better investment in the health of the Cambridge people than paying for fluoride in the water while a legal challenge is pending? And in this case, has the Waipa District Council put dollars before people? Finally, I would like you to think about the people who do not want fluoride in their water. Really think about them. They are young, they are old, they are men, they are women, they are working, they are retired, they are beneficiaries, they are parents and grandparents. They are children. They may be wealthy, they may not be wealthy. They are healthy, they are sick, they are highly educated, they have little education. They are born here, they were born overseas. They are well connected in our community, they keep to themselves. You may know some of them, you may not. They are many. They are as diverse as you would expect in New Zealand society. They are all Cambridge people. They are your community, and you are our community board. Please advocate for us with Council to apply for an interim injunction to stop the fluoride being added to the Cambridge water. Thank you.
Thank you, Bren. Thank you very much. Right, I'll open up to questions if anyone has any for Bren. No, this is something that, oh, sorry, Lisa, you go.
So definitely conversations, and I am part of a number of community groups who share the same view. And I also attended 2 council meetings in Te Awamutu last year when the issue of fluoridation came up, and that was a packed room. We didn't have the opportunity to speak. That wasn't the forum that day. But yes, there are a lot of people who are concerned. And as I said, not everyone is able to circumvent the fluoride. Some of us can pay for filters, some of us have rainwater tanks, but that doesn't apply to everybody. Further questions?
Alana? All right, thank you, Bren. I appreciate that. We'll keep in touch with you as we think about this issue. It is something that it has come to us as a board. It is something that we think about. We have had that latest research sent to us. It is something that we all have read, and it's not something that we have passed over. It's something that we do think about. So we'll discuss it further and keep in touch with you about that. But I understand, your concerns, absolutely. Thank you.